The second round of the US West Coast Championship Supercross at the Open Oracle Stadium in San Francisco was bogged down in a mood after heavy rainfall. Jordan Smith Star Racing Yamaha won and took the lead in the standing. Round 2 of the US Light West Coast Championship at the Open Oracle Stadium in San Francisco. The persistent rainfall on the US West Coast had torn the course into the muddy Westerland Championship leader R.G. Hampshire from Husqvarna Racing stumbled on the start straight in the final and fell far behind. Star Racing Yamaha factory rider Jordan Smith took the lead and had the best visibility in the difficult muddy condition. In the end, Levi Kitchen from Kawasaki got closer to leading Smith, but Smith kept the overview and won the final by a narrow margin of 0.9 seconds. Joe Shimoda from Honda, who was one of the title contenders this season and already struggled with problems at the season opener in Anaheim, won the first head ahead of eventual winner Jordan Smith. In the final race, however, the Japanese rider got stuck in the deep mud in the first lap and had to retire from the race. Garrett McBain came out on the top against his Club MX teammate Phil Nicoletti to finish on the podium.
Unreal track. It was probably the gnarliest mud track I've ridden ever. So to get a good start and to win is awesome, and yeah, back where we need to be.